Okie dokie, Luigi. Do we have everything? Yes, Sally. Food? Yes. Tent? Uh-huh. Extra doodads? Yes, bro. Alright, let's get to camping.
Alright, Ted. Do we have everything I asked for?
Yes, we have a tent for shelter, food for eating, and extra dresses for emergencies.
Alright, let's go meet up with Mario.
Yoshi, Yoshi. Yoshi. My sleeping tent, clothes of a garlic, and magnets to make this a camping experience to remember. Alright everyone, welcome to the first ever Mario the Campout. Yeah, this should go just as I planned. Look, there's some customers. Hello there, my name is Voshi Purple Yoshi, but you can call me Voshi. It is my pleasure to show you around this beautiful campsite. Come with me. This is Mushroom Oaks, the closest campsite within good range of the Mushroom Kingdom. We offer two types of camping. School camping is for those who come here on a field trip. Normal camping is for those who love to rough it. Which one will you be using today? Normal. Good choice, sir. Allow me to show you the way. Yoshi, Yoshi, wow. Are you sure, Bowser? We'd hate for you to get hurt or anything like that. Well, as long as you're okay. We've got your back. A few hours later... This campout was an excellent idea, huh, guys? Wow, Yoshi, Yoshi, wow. What was that? Oh, you are think. Alright, come on out, you big beast. Why the hammers are you here, Bowser? You're right, you're not going to ruin my first camp out. You are on the fire bluff. Your aim is very bad, you know. Mario.
Alright, Mario, you saved us from Bowser. Thanks.
No problem. Let's go home now. Now that's what I'm talking about.